Keep in mind that coolant is just as important as a blade when it comes to cutting efficiency and blade life. Today we're using the C-5200 semi-synthetic coolant, which is specially designed for bandsaws cutting carbon steel. The C-5200 is a synthetic coolant for ferrous and non-ferrous metal, featuring low foaming, corrosion resistant, and biodegradability. It enhances tool life and machine maintenance. Like all cutting fluids used in bandsaw, it should be mixed at a 10-to-1 ratio with water for optimal performance. It lubricates the blade, reduces friction and heat. It also keeps cuts clean and smooth, but most importantly, it extends blade life by preventing overheating and premature blade wear. This is the preferred coolant of many of our customers because of its reliability. I've seen throughout the 30 years I've been in this business, using an inferior coolant will result in high blade cost and poor performance. The C-5200 ensures efficiency, longer blade life, and cleaner cuts.